everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter names of numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the lesson names of numbers. Here I'm on grade 2 math. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is ordinal numbers up to 10th. Let's just start with the first lesson. Let's see what is the ordinal numbers, right? What color is the fifth square? Basically, ordinal numbers are the one. What do you know about the ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are the one that shows the order or position in a sequence, right? You can note down the definition of the ordinal numbers. Basically, they tells you the sequence or position of a ordinal numbers are numbers that show position or order in a sequence, right? So basically, ordinal numbers tells you the sequence of a number, right? Like for example, here the first example is what color is the fifth square, right? So you have to see which is the fifth color. You have to start from the right hand side, right? So this is then first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So the fifth one is blue. Got it? Fifth, you have th. Basically, whenever you have th with a number, that points to the sequence of the number, right? So the at the fifth you have the blue, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What color is the fourth square? Start counting from the left. So which is the fourth color? You need to count the squares, right? So the fourth color is, start from, this is the first one, right? One, two, three, four. So the fourth one is green. So the correct option is green. Got it? The correct option is green. The next one is what color is the seventh square? Start counting from the right. So which is the seventh square? So that is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So which is the correct one? The seventh is red color. Got it? The correct option is red, right? You need to count you need to check the sequence of the book. So that is seventh. So red, red. Got it? The next one is what color is the third square? Start counting from the left. So which is the correct option? Third. Which is the correct one? That is green, right? The correct option is green because the third square is green. What color is the fifth square? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The fifth one is one, two, three, four, five. Yes, that is yellow. The fifth square is the yellow, right? Basically, the numbers you write in ordinal from 1 to 10 are like this. First, right? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. These are the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. Got it? They tells you the position of a number. Got it? These are the ordinals. Got it? Okay, so you can keep them in your mind. These are the um, ordinal numbers, right? Okay. So what color is the first square? So which is the correct option? First square means, yes, that is blue. Just look at the first one. Here is the first one, and that is blue, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. And the next lesson is ordinal numbers up to 100th, right? So that this lesson is exactly same. Basically, you have to now ordinal numbers up to 100th you need to see, right? For example, the first one is what is the eighth letter in the passage, right? And you are given every 10th letter is blue. Like if you start counting from the first one, the blue one is the 10th one, right? So which is the eighth letter? this is the C is the first one, that is 10th, right? Go back, 9 is the I and 8 is the D. That means 8D is at the 8th position. You don't have to count from 1 to 10, right? We know that the blue one is at the 10th position, right? So you can see that is C. The correct option is D is the correct option. D is at the 8th position, right? Okay, the next one is what is the fifth letter in the passage? Every 10th letter is blue. So which is the 15th one? You don't need to count the spaces, right? Which is the correct option? D. That's for the first one, I think. Now for this one. This is the 10th letter, right? S is the 10th. 11, 12, 13, 14, and H is the 15th one, isn't it? Yes, it is. H is the 15th one. Good. Okay, the next one is what is the 13th letter in the passage? So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 13th letter. Mm, yes, that is W. Very good. The correct option is W. The next one is what is the 16th letter in the passage? Which is the correct option? 16th. The correct one is K. Very good. K is at the 16th position. The next one is what is the first letter in the passage? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the first one is Y is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is what is the 20th letter in the passage? So, which is the correct option? 20th letter, that is S. Very good, because every 10th is blue. So, the first one is 10th, so second one is obviously 20th letter. What is the fifth letter in the passage? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is U. The fifth one is U is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next one. And the next one is that is writing numbers up to 100 in words. So, how do we write the numbers up to 100 in words? Like we can read the numbers, right? We cannot read, like if you have the number 20, you can write it as 2 and 0, right? But you cannot read as 20, you write it as 20, right? Isn't it? So that is the let that is the name of the number in words, right? That's how we read the numbers. Got it? So we all know how do we read the numbers. Let's just start with the test questions. Read or write. Got it? How do you write the number using digits? The number is 35. So, which is the correct option? How do you how do you write this number using digits? 35, which is the correct option? Yes, that is the first one. 3 and 5 makes 35, right? How do you write this number using digits? 27. How do you write? That is 2 and 7, right? 2, 7 makes 27. Got it? How do you write this number using words 51? So, which is the correct option? How do you write this number using words like 51, right? So, option number 1 is the correct option. That's how you read this number. You cannot read as 51, you can read 51. Got it? Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using words? So, which is the correct option? So, which is the correct option? You can read this number as 63, right? So, option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? How do you write this number using words? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 69. The last one is the correct option. Got it? How do you write this number using digits? 63. How do you write it is? The correct option is yes, that's the last one. 36. 36 is the correct option. How do you write this number using words? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 66. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using digits 96? So, which is the correct option? The next one is yes, that is the second option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? Because this is too easy, isn't it? Okay, the next lesson is writing numbers up to 1000 in words. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how do you write this number using digit 800, which is the correct option? Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. That is 800 option number 1 is the correct option. How do you write this number using words, which is the correct option? That's the last one, 706, right? The correct option is 706. The next one is how do you write this number using digits, which is the correct option? Yes, that's the second one, 172 it is. How do you write this number using words, which is the correct option? That is 144, option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct one is 144, and that is option. You can just write down the option number, right? How do you write this number using words? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 503. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? How do you write this number using digits? 449. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is the second option is the correct one. Got it? That is 449. So, the second one is the correct option. The next one is how do you write this number using words? The correct one is 739. That is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is Roman numbers 1, 5, 10, and 100. Let's just start with the Roman numbers, right? Basically, Roman number is another way to write the numbers. Roman numerals, it is, right? Another way to write the numbers. So they are very easy. You just have to understand. Let me just write down the basic Roman numerals from 1 to 10 on the board. You can note them down on your notebook, right? So, how do you write the 1 in Roman? You can write 1 as I, 2 as 2I, 3 as like this, 4 like this, 5 you can note them down like this, 6 V and I, 7 V I, 8 V I, like 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got it? Then you have 9. That is I and X, right? Because X represents 10. Got it? These are the very basic Roman numerals from 1 to 10. You can note them down. They are very important, and the rest of the numbers you can make using these numbers, right? For example, you have to make 11. So 10 and 1 makes 11. 10 and 1. Got it? But you have to add on the right hand side. If you are adding, like 10 plus 1 is 11. So you are adding 1, you need to add right hand side. Here 9 is 1 less than 10. So 10 minus 1, you have to add 1 on the left hand side. For example, you have to make 25, right? 10 plus 5 makes 25. So 10 is x, another 10 is x, v5. This way you can make 25. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Let's just do, okay, what does this Roman numeral represent? Which number it is it? 2, 3, 4. Which is the correct option? What number does the Roman numeral represent? Yes, this Roman numeral represents 2. The correct option is 2. What How would you write 1 as Roman numeral? So which is the correct option? How do you write 1? That is the second option, right? Like this you can write 1. What number does the Roman numeral represent? How do you write 3? No, basically this Roman numeral represents 3. Sorry, that's how you write 3. Okay, what number does the Roman numeral represent? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1 it is. This Roman numeral represents 1. How would you write 2 as a Roman numeral? So which is the correct option? Yes, you can write 2 in Roman like this. Got it? Option number 3 is the correct option. What number does this Roman numeral represent? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 it is, right? This one represents 4. How would you write 5 as a Roman numeral? So which is the correct option? You can write 5 as B. The last option is the correct one, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is names of numbers, and the lessons we have covered today are ordinal numbers up to 10th, ordinal numbers up to 100th, writing numbers up to 100 in words, and writing numbers up to 1000 in words. Then we just finished the Roman numerals, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we have just finished. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.